e-banking or digital banking is something which every organization in the financial space has to work on, and this is an evolving concept, ever changing concept, because banking as compared to say Unilever, which sells shampoos and soaps and detergents and many other products, banking is totally intangible. So, in banking, the service delivery and the product itself both can reach to a customer through digital channels. So, in a manufacturing case, you can take the order, but the order has to be delivered physically, it cannot be sent over the internet. But in case of banking, the actual product can be delivered to the customer over the web. So, banking is much more I would say prone or open to disruption because of the technological development. Side by side, there is also a huge opportunity for smaller banks to compete with bigger banks. So, I take it as an opportunity rather than a threat, because earlier to grow yourself you need to expand your brick and mortar network, but now a bank can grow without growing its brick and mortar network. So, it is an evolving phase. Now, in some areas you cannot be an innovator in everything in technology, like for example, Microsoft is Microsoft and Apple is Apple. The things which Apple delivers Microsoft can't, and the things which Google delivers iPhone is unable to deliver, the Android phones which Android phones are able. So, you cannot be the best of everything. So, you have to focus on where you can be the best and where you can be a follower. And when we say a follower, being a follower is also not a bad thing, because they are innovators, then they are early adopters, then they are late adopters, and then they are laggards. So, you have to be an early adopter of technology. So, in some areas we are innovators, like the biometric technology which we have deployed in our branch network and in our ATM network is absolutely unique. No bank in Pakistan has it, and to the best of my knowledge no bank in the world has it today. So, this is the most advanced biometric technology through which you can do any transaction inside the branch without knowing your even account number, without having your checkbook or debit card. You just need to be physically present with your fingerprint and you can do that transaction. And same happens on your ATM network, you do not need to have your debit card or a ATM card to do a transaction, which is very unique, which is very convenient. Once a person experience it, it is like addicting. People do not carry their debit cards after that. So, you get addicted to it. Then there are other channels, which is your mobile application, your internet banking, which many of the banks in Pakistan have it. But when you talk about mobile application, is the functionality which your mobile application is able to deliver. It is the ability of being omni-channel, that a person can, if the person needs to do a transaction in hard currency, then a person having a digital wallet should have the capacity to use your ATM, should have the capacity to use your branch or to an agent. So, we are working now on that to enhance our app to have the digital wallet within the same app, and then the person who has opened a digital wallet have access to branch, ATMs and agents simultaneously. So, this is the next step which we are eyeing on. Then one more important thing is, most of the digital transformation which banks are eyeing upon is about like doing a beautiful wrapper around itself, and the original thing inside the banks remains same, because the original thing are the human beings. If human beings cannot think digitally, then the sustainability of the value proposition which bank is offering to customers is really questionable, and this is what is happening with all major banks in Pakistan, who are claiming to roll out their digital branch and trying to rolling out their wallets and everything, but still they haven't been able to create any impact to date. And institutions like Easy Paisa and Jazz Cash are able to create an impact, because these organizations are designed digitally inside. So, a digital transformation from within the organization is also important. So, both things has to happen simultaneously. So, that is why we are also focusing on that, and we are trying to move all our workflows inside the organization into the digital environment.